Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we peel back the layers of corporate filings and see what is really going on behind the scenes. Today we're diving into Yext Incorporated's latest report, and let me tell you there are some interesting numbers to unpack that might just tell us how this company is really doing in the current economic climate. Make sure you are subscribed for more of these deep dives and join our Discord community, linked in the description below. This is what is called a Form 8K filing. It is like a special announcement for really important events. The main reason for this particular filing is to share the company's financial results for a specific period. Yext Incorporated, as you likely know, is a company that helps businesses manage their online presence, kind of like a digital reputation manager. They want to make sure businesses show up where and when potential customers are looking for them. The key date here is the 8th of December 2025, which is when Yext Incorporated announced their financial results for the third quarter that ended on the 31st of October of the same year. The big news comes in a press release, which is essentially their official announcement explaining how they performed financially. We'll be digging into what those numbers actually mean for the company and for people who own their stock. Now, it is important to note that Yext Incorporated also mentions they use their investor relations webpage to share important information. This is pretty standard practice for public companies that want everyone to have access to the same material details at the same time. Their common stock trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol Yext. This is basically the stock that most investors buy and sell. This is a bit of legal jargon, but it essentially means that while they are providing this information, they are being careful about how it is officially treated for certain legal purposes. It is like saying, we're telling you this, but it is not quite the same as our main official filings yet. So let's talk about the press release itself, Exhibit 99.1. This is where the core financial results are detailed. While the filing itself is brief, the press release is where we find the actual numbers that tell the story of Yext Incorporated's recent performance. And it is signed off by Darryl Bond, the Chief Financial Officer. He is the one ultimately responsible for the company's financial reporting. Now, looking at the press release that is attached as Exhibit 99.1, which announces their third fiscal quarter results for the period ending the 31st of October 2025. What does this actually tell us? Well, in simple terms, it is how much money they made and how much it cost them to make it. Companies often report both GAAP results, which are standard accounting rules, and non-GAAP results, which are adjusted to provide a different view of their financial health. Yext Incorporated does provide a reconciliation in that press release. This means they show you how they get from the standard numbers to their adjusted numbers, which is crucial for understanding their performance and strategy. While we do not have the specific financial tables from the press release directly in this filing excerpt, the fact that they are announcing earnings means we can infer they are reporting revenue expenses. And profitability metrics for companies like Yext Incorporated, which offers a software as a service or SaaS platform, key indicators to watch would be their revenue growth, whether it is accelerating or slowing down the performance of their subscriptions and their overall profitability. Are they adding more customers? Are those customers spending more money? And critically, are they making a profit on all of this? In the broader context of the tech industry, we've seen a lot of fluctuation. Some companies are still experiencing strong demand for digital solutions, while others are grappling with slower growth as the economic environment shifts. Yext Incorporated operates in a competitive space where staying ahead means constantly innovating and proving value to businesses. Their ability to secure new clients and retain existing ones is paramount. If their earnings show strong growth, it indicates they are successfully navigating these market dynamics and appealing to businesses looking to improve their digital footprint. Conversely, if growth is sluggish, it might signal challenges in acquiring new clients or increased competition eating into their market share. In assessing Yext Incorporated's direction, we're looking for consistent, sustainable growth. A company that consistently meets or beats its financial targets typically has a strong product market fit and an effective go-to market strategy. However, a key risk for any SaaS company is customer churn. If Yext Incorporated is experiencing high churn rates, it means a lot of customers are leaving, which can severely hamper growth even if they are acquiring new customers. The non-GAAP numbers they provide can sometimes highlight operational efficiency or areas where they are investing for the future, so it is always worth understanding what adjustments they are making and why. Ultimately, based on the information presented here, the most important thing is the actual financial performance detailed in that press release. Are these numbers showing Yext Incorporated moving forward with strength and efficiency, or are there underlying concerns that might indicate future headwinds? The details in that press release are the key to answering whether Yext Incorporated is delivering on its promises and poised for future success. Alright, that is our initial look at this Yext Incorporated filing. What are your thoughts on how this company is performing and what these reports tell us about their future prospects? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown useful, hitting that like button shows your support, and subscribe for more insightful corporate content. And remember to check out our Discord channel in the description for more discussions and community engagement. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.